This is the Insta360 Link 2C camera. So you can see the size of it, it's extremely small. All right. Mine is going back. Maybe I just had the wrong expectations. I'm actually on an iPad right now. And what I was trying to do is use it for content creation. And I was hoping I could connect this to my iPad. It does connect with some third-party apps. Weirdly enough and oddly enough, it does not connect with the Insta360 app to the iPad. I don't know why. When I finally got it to work, I noticed one of the first issues was that it didn't zoom out enough. The native camera on my iPad, I was hoping that this would at least be that like output or zoomed out, but it doesn't. It's like really zoomed in. So if I'm using it here for videos, it's not capturing like out here. It's like basically this is all cut off. So that was the first thing, and there is some like, you know, you could double tap this and zoom in, zoom out. It's got a manual shutter there. And the one thing I really liked about this camera is that you can connect it to like a tripod, right? With this little thing here, and it connects and disconnects with a magnet, which is really nice. You really can't, it's not picking up. Let's see if I do that. It's black, so it's hard for it. There you go. So that's really nice, right? So if I want to walk around and use this, I can, and it connects with a magnet. It's extremely adjustable. The one thing I noticed is that if I want to do content that is like facing straight down, maybe, you can do that with this one. There's other cameras you can't. It also has AI tracking, which works really well. In some of the apps and the other apps, it just doesn't work. I don't understand why. Maybe this is just something that's not supposed to be used with an iPad, and I just had the wrong expectations. The quality seems to be good, the 4K from other webcams that I have been searching for. This is how you get the power into it and how you connect. It's a USB-C. It comes with the USB-C cable. This is the USB-C cable, and it does come with a converter, so if you want to plug it into a normal, you know, USB, you can. Box is extremely small, looks nice. Unfortunately, mine's going back, but I think I just maybe had the wrong expectations on it. So, you know, but all in all, I think it's a nice camera. It feels really good in your hands. It's got a good microphone. Microphone worked completely fine. So I think for like Teams calls and stuff like that, this is probably good. Even maybe for some content creation. You know, I don't know yet. I haven't decided if it's going back or not. But this is the camera, extremely small. And basically what I was looking for was an external camera for my iPad, so I can leave the iPad and use this. But it's just, I don't know. Not connecting through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or anything to the iPad, that is. There it is.